Hi, Tim with Van Dolders. Happy to announce Lepage as a partner of ours, and I'd like to introduce their XL double hung to you. It's an aluminum clad exterior, wood interior. We've chose pine as the species of wood here and had it factory stained by Lepage in a caramel color to match in with the timber frame. Oil rub bronze hardware, so it's easy to slide. Fixed screen will be on the outside, we have it out right now, and a maintenance-free exterior. This window can be a wood interior and wood exterior, finished any color inside and out. Lepage will paint the inside of the window, they'll paint the outside of the window if you want that old traditional look. Most are going with the aluminum clad, and they have any color of aluminum cladding to go with your home. All these windows are available to see at both our showrooms in Owen Sound and Collingwood. Lepage has got some beautiful finishes. Maybe they'll be right for your house. Come and see us, Owen Sound or Collingwood.